Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reduce Ethereum gas fees on Trust Wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are on the Trust Wallet application, and then from here we're going to simply go to the bottom right where it says Discover. Once you go to the Discover page, it's going to show you the featured page, and then from here click on See All. Now from here you're going to scroll down or scroll up until you see the word Uniswap. Once you check Uniswap, click on it, and it will direct you to the Uniswap wallet. Now from here, all you have to do is connect your Trust Wallet. Simply click on the Connect button on the top right, and then click on Trust Wallet right here. Then from here, go to approve it, and then click on Connect. Once that is done, now your Trust Wallet funds are connected directly. And then from here, all you have to do is select for however much amount you would like to sell or exchange for Ethereum or whatever other cryptocurrency you might have in mind, such as Tether, USD, Bitcoin, or anything else. From here, all you have to do is select the amount, and then from here it's going to tell you to select whatever token you would like to exchange for it. So for example, from Ethereum to Tether USD. Now from here it's going to show you the amount for it, and then from here make sure that you click on the settings button on the top right, as you can see right here, that is above it, and make sure that the slippage and the swap deadline are set to whatever the best is for the currency. You can search that on Google very easily. And then from here you're going to go to the trade options, and then from here you're going to make sure that the default is enabled, which includes Uniswap X. Uniswap X is the one that is going to reduce your fees. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.